Let's do a magic trick. We'll need three paper cups. Pour some water into the first cup, then swap the position of the three cups. Can you guess which cup was the water? Is it this cup? Or maybe this one? No? This, so it must be this one. Nope, it's gone. How did that happen? Well, there is a secret ingredient, superabsorbent polymer. A superabsorbent polymer is a polymer with an extraordinary ability to absorb water, often hundreds of times its own weight. When exposed to water, the carboxyl groups in the sap structure are ionized, creating negative charges. These negative charges attract water's positive ions and form hydrogen bonds with other water molecules. This process repeats, forming a dense network of hydrogen bonds, allowing sap to efficiently absorb and retain water. Check out this empty plate. Let's see what happens when we bring a piece of paper near it. Wow, the paper caught on fire. Let's do it again and see if we can figure out why. Look at the burning paper. So, can you spot the flame? It's actually alcohol burning. Why is the alcohol flame so hard to see? Alcohol flames are difficult to see because they produce a blue flame that almost invisible in daylight. This happens because alcohols burn cleanly with little soot and have lower flame temperatures. The light emitted by burning alcohols is primarily in the blue and ultraviolet spectrum, which is less visible to the human eye, especially in bright conditions. First, let's light a candle. Next, we'll inflate a balloon and bring it near the flame. You might expect a big pop, but nothing happens. That's because I have done a little trick. I added some water to the balloon before inflating it. Why water protects a balloon from a candle flame? When the balloon is filled with air, the heat from the candle flame quickly heats the burner, causing it to weaken and burst. However, when there is water inside the balloon, the water absorbs the heat from the flame instead of the rubber. The heat from the flame is transferred to the water. The water acts as a heat shield, preventing